Now let us look into the questions in the exercise 7.3. Question number 6. Find n if n minus 1 p3 is to n p4 is equal to 1:9. It is given that n minus 1 p3 by n p4 is equal to 1/9. Now n minus 1 p3 is n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 divided by n p4 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. n minus 1 p3 means the product of three numbers starting with n minus 1 and the next will be n minus 2 and the third will be n minus 3. Then np4 will be the product of n, next n minus 1, third n minus 2 and the fourth number n minus 3 must be equal to 1/9. Now we can cancel the terms like this. Therefore 1/n is equal to 1/9, that is n is equal to 9. Now another question. If it is number 7, if n minus 1 p3, so that you have done, find R if 5PR is equal to 2 into 6P R minus 1. Find R if 5PR is equal to 2 into 6P R minus 1. Now we shall write what is 5PR. 5PR is equal to 5 factorial divided by 5 minus R factorial, and it is equal to 2 into 6 factorial divided by 6 minus R minus 1 factorial. Now this can be put as 5 factorial by 5 minus R factorial is equal to 2 into 6 into 5 factorial. Why this is put as 6 into 5 factorial? We have 5 factorial on the left. If this 6 factorial is written as 6 into 5 factorial, we can easily cancel the terms on the left and the right. Divided by 6 minus R minus 1. 6 minus minus 1, that is 7. 7 minus R factorial. 6 minus minus 1, that is 6 plus 1, 7 minus R factorial. Now you can write 1 by 5 minus R factorial is equal to 12 by this 7 minus R factorial can be written as 7 minus R into 6 minus r into 5 minus r factorial. How is it possible? If we want to write 8 factorial, it can be put as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Similarly, this 7 minus r factorial can be written as 7 minus r. One number just below 7 minus r is 6 minus r. Then one number just below 6 minus r is 5 minus r. Here is 5 minus r factorial. Here also we have got 5 minus r factorial. So we can cancel 5 minus r, 5 minus r. Therefore, 1 is equal to 12 by 7 minus r into 6 minus r. That is to say, r square minus 13r plus 42 is equal to 12. You have taken the product of 7 minus r and 6 minus r, that is r square minus 6 plus 7, 13, 13r plus 40 equals 12. That is to say, r square minus 13r plus 30 is equal to 0. How? Taken this 12 to the left, 42 minus 12, that is 30. Now we can factorize this as r minus 10 into r minus 3. R square minus 10 plus 3, 13r plus product 30, correct, equals 0. That is to say, r equals 10 or r equals 3. But when we consider 5pr, this r can never be 10. R will be less than n. Therefore, this r equals 10 is impossible, and the value of r is 3. Right. One more question is there. 5pr is equal to 6pr minus 1. Question number 7, part 2. If 5pr is equal to 6pr minus 5 factorial divided by 5 minus r factorial is equal to 6 factorial divided by 6 minus r minus 1 factorial. That is 5 factorial by 5 minus r factorial is equal to 6 into 5 factorial divided by 7 minus r factorial. 6 minus minus 1, 7, 7 minus r factorial. That is to say, 1 by 5 minus r factorial is equal to 6 by 7 minus r into 6 minus r into 5 minus r factorial, of which 5 minus r and 5 minus r got cancelled. 1 is equal to 6 by 7 minus r into 6 minus r, that is 7 minus r square minus 13r plus 42 is equal to 6, or r square minus 13r plus 36 equal to 0. That is to say, r minus 9 into r minus 4 equals 0. minus 9 plus minus 4, that is minus 13. Product plus 36, correct. Therefore, R equals 9 or R equals 4. But we cannot think of 5p9. Therefore, the correct answer is R equals 4. Right.